Welcome to the new age of concrete and terrazzo restoration and polishing. Save your floors from the fiery pits with Diamond Devil by Malish. The next generation chemical-free solution delivers superior results in less time. Go from coated concrete to polished perfection in no time, saving both time and money. Strip wax and sealers from cementitious terrazzo using just water. No harsh chemicals needed, prepping it perfectly for polishing. Achieve superior results in coating removal, concrete and terrazzo restoration, prep and polishing with a patent-pending Diamond Devil system. Say goodbye to epoxy, sealer, and wax forever. With the Diamond Devil system, use only water to achieve highly polished floors, superior image gloss, and clarity. Save effortless floor maintenance with the system's +1 red shine tool, allowing you to clean and polish in one step, saving time, money, and labor resources. Wicked fast results in a fraction of the time, because when time is money, Diamond Devil is the answer.